In the world of device repair and refurbishment, testing mobile devices with a network simulator is crucial. Traditionally, this involved inserting a test SIM card, but what happens when you're dealing with eSIM-only devices like the latest iPhones in the US? The old method no longer works, and this trend is set to expand globally. But don't worry, we have a solution that's just as effective for eSIM devices. Introducing Comprion's eSIM Test Profile service. Here's how it works. First, select a test profile, then use the mobile device to scan the provided QR code. The device will confirm the profile installation, which you can also verify through our service. Once the eSIM test profile is loaded, connecting to your network simulator is a breeze. The mobile device uses the eSIM test profile just like a physical SIM card to connect to the simulator. You can easily monitor the connection on both the device and the simulator. It's that simple. From here, proceed with your testing as usual. Whether you're checking data connectivity or running other diagnostics, our eSIM solution ensures you can maintain your workflow seamlessly.